is Lara Schilling. I am living in Bochum. I work at the University for Applied Sciences at the Vice Presidency for Sustainability, Transfer and Entrepreneurship. We are running now a big new project, and it's all about the transferring of sustainability knowledge that we do have in the universities, and we try to bring it into the society, into the city, and make people feel like they can get engaged, that they can co-create, that they are part of the great transformation. So we want them to be part and to also have the feeling that they are able to do whatever they feel like doing and just be part of the solution. We have all these small projects in the university, and we are trying to bring them into society, into places. So basically we will create those small third places as prototypes, basically, for the great transformation, the solution to the great transformation and the problems we have with climate and environmental problems. So basically, that's why I'm here. I wanted to learn how to create third places in a manner that they do actually work in a sustainable manner, that you talk to people, that you listen to people what they want, and how you can create this with the people and really make change happen for a long run.
Nice.
I would say not like a situation, but more like a playfulness all along. There were so many lovely people, and we were just like having fun and making jokes, having serious fun, while we were talking about these problems, because we know everything how it should work out in the long run, but we do not engage people in a good way when we are not having fun. So we know the solutions, but they have to be fun. So this was basically what we were doing here, and we felt empowered and we felt connected. And if we make other people also feel empowered and connected and having fun together, it will be much faster and much easier to change the world in a better way.